Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you best settings to increase downloading speed in your Bittorrent client. Please follow all the steps shown in this video. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. First of all, we need to make some changes in advanced settings. So you need to go to your Bittorrent client, go to preferences, go to advanced settings. At the bottom type there BT. Select this option BT connect speed. Its value is 25. We have to set its value to 28. Then after you need to type here GUI. Here you need to find GUI.update rate. That is by default 1000. You need to set its value to 2000. Now in a filter type net. And you need to go to net.outgoing port. By default it's set to 0. We need to change it to 50. Now in a filter type peer and click on this option peer.disconnect inactive internet. Its value is set to 300. We have to change it to 125. Now last setting for advanced settings, in a filter type RSS. Then go to RSS.update interval and set its value to 20. Now again you have to go to the preferences of your Bittorrent client. Go inside Bittorrent option. Please keep all these settings like this. Here we need to make change here in a protocol encryption. By default it is disabled. Here I'm going to change it to forced. That is basically to enhance privacy. Then after we have to go to the connection settings. Here we have to configure some settings. Port used for incoming connection, we have to set it to 45682. Here make sure Windows firewall exception must be checked. Now we have to go to the bandwidth settings. Inside bandwidth settings at the top, maximum upload rate set its value to 70. Global maximum downloading rate limit set its value to 6000. In a global rate limit option, check this option. Apply rate limit to transport overhead. Maximum number of connected peers per torrent set its value to 2329. Number of upload slots per torrent set its value to 14. Now go inside privacy settings and clear the private data and hit the forget me option. If your torrents download speed are still slow, let's boost them by using trackers. Go in Google and type their updated torrent trackers. Go inside any website and make sure copy the updated torrent trackers. Then go to your Bittorrent client, right click on that particular torrent and paste these trackers by giving one single space and hit OK. You are done. Hope these settings really boost your downloading speed of your torrents in Bittorrent client. Let me know in the comments section which settings really boost your torrent speed. Now we will meet in next video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.